Hey there, gearheads. Have you ever wondered about the little powerhouse parts inside your car engine that make everything tick? Today, we're talking about pistons, where they are, why they're used, and what happens when they're damaged. Let's dive in. First up, where are pistons located? Pistons live inside the cylinders of your car's engine block. Think of them as the heart of the engine, moving up and down in perfect rhythm to keep your car running smoothly. Connected to the crankshaft via connecting rods, they're the ultimate team players in your engine. Now, why are pistons so important? They're the stars of the combustion process. When the air-fuel mixture ignites in the cylinder, the explosion forces the piston down. This movement turns into the rotational energy that powers your car's wheels. Without pistons, your engine simply wouldn't work. They're the unsung heroes of every drive. But what happens when pistons are damaged? A damaged piston can mean trouble for your engine. Common signs include a loss of power, excessive smoke from the exhaust, or even strange knocking noises. So why do pistons get damaged? Well, several reasons. Overheating from prolonged engine strain can weaken the pistons. Poor lubrication can lead to friction and wear. And detonation or pre-ignition, when fuel ignites too early, can cause catastrophic cracks or holes. Regular maintenance is key to preventing these issues. So there you have it. Pistons are essential to your car's engine, and keeping them in good shape is critical for a smooth ride. If you learned something new today, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more car insights and tips. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your pistons pumping.